Hello and welcome to a new video. A couple of days before, I already presented to you a new feature, which is organization-based billing. So an organization is the root level and holds billing information and the various kind of workspaces that you add. If you add a new workspace, you can add this to an existing organization and it automatically inherits from the quota for devices, SMS and stuff like that. Now we have a new feature for organizations, which is about members. Before it was the case that you could invite members on your workspaces, and it was harder to share members between workspaces, and you always needed to add these members between all those different kind of workspaces. Now we have a new option on the root level, so on the organization, there is now an administrators option. That means you can define an administrator and the owner of the actual organization. And every time you set or create new workspaces, this is only possible through the actual administrator of the actual organization. So as you can see here, this is new on the members section in the workspace. You can see that there's the members for the workspace and you can still invite members as always. But a few extra permissions are missing here because they have been merged into the organization. Now there's also the option to add those administrators by going to the organization administrators. And you can see all the administrators for your organization. And this is across all workspaces. And you can also see who you are, and then also that you are the owner. We have a couple of new features in here. So first of all, if you add a member, you can do this by email, and this one already needs to have an account on Datacake. You can define permissions like add workspaces, the members permission, billing, and white label. You could also just select the billing if you want to invite a billing administrator, for example. There's another option, and this has happened so often that, for example, IT system integrators created accounts and organizations for their clients, and then they want to transfer the ownership. Previously on Datacake, this was not possible, but with the new administrators, we can now automatically transfer ownerships. This is super easy. Go to any of these administrators, click on the context menu here, and then transfer ownership. Once we transferred, you are also able to delete yourself as an administrator because the ownership is then by somebody else. This is available on the platform right now. Go ahead, test it. If you have some questions for organizations or administrators, feel free to reach out and let us know. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.